Hi guys, today I will show you how to update Google Chrome. So many websites recommends to have or require latest version of Google Chrome browser. Basically Chrome is designed to automatically keep itself up to date, but in case you have some old version or you are not closing Chrome for some long time, maybe you need to update it. So how to do it manually? Let's open the Chrome browser, and on the top right corner on the more icon, let's click on that and go to Help and About Google Chrome option. It will automatically check if this is version up to date or not. If not, on the right side will appear a button to download and update Google Chrome. Of course, to apply any available updates, click Relaunch, and that's it. Hopefully it helps you, and thanks for watching.